Hi, I'm Thibault, and in this video today we're going to be tapping on how to find purpose in all the uncertainty. Do you know, right now there feels like there's just so much uncertainty, and it can be difficult because you can be pulled out of the direction you thought you were heading down, and perhaps you want one of these people that may need to really rethink where you're going and what you're doing. So in this video today, we're going to be tapping on finding purpose through the uncertainty. So I want you on a scale of 1 to 10 to just think for a minute, how uncertain do I feel at the moment? And how confused am I about my purpose? Write that down. And where do you feel it? And what level? All right, here we go. Even though there is so much uncertainty and I'm feeling confused about my purpose in all of this, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I'm really not sure what my purpose is now, there's so much uncertainty. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I'm feeling this uncertainty in my solar plexus, and it's about a level, I'll say 9. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. This uncertainty. I'm not sure I know my purpose in all this uncertainty. How do I even find my purpose? Everything feels so uncertain. How do I find my purpose in all this uncertainty? I thought I knew what it was. Now everything feels so uncertain. How do I find my purpose in all this uncertainty? All this feeling in my solar plexus. Everything feels so uncertain. How do I find my purpose in all this uncertainty? I can't even feel comfortable at the moment. So much uncertainty. How do I find my purpose in all this uncertainty? So much uncertainty. Feeling it in my solar plexus. Okay, take a deep breath and let it go. See if that's come down a lot. And the questions around this would be, do I know my purpose? Has it changed? If you understand your soul purpose and your life purpose, now if you haven't watched those videos, there'll be a link below to them. But really in understanding what's your gifts and your talents and what you love to do most of all, and then opening up those realms of possibilities rather than thinking it has to be the way it's always been. All right. And then you might need to keep tapping around that at times when you're told you weren't good enough to do what you wanted, or you weren't clever enough to figure it out, or you need to find all that and to create those tapping around that. I'm going to assume you're down to about a 0 or 2 and you're feeling quite comfortable. You don't have that heightened anxiety anymore, and that the feeling in your solar plexus has come down. Here we go. Even though I was really questioning how to find my purpose with all this uncertainty, I know I'll figure this out. Even though I was feeling uncertain before, but I choose to be open to all possibilities. Even though I know I judge myself, and I'm hanging on to some things from my past, I choose to stop judging myself and trust my intuition. I choose to find my purpose, even though it's so uncertain. I choose to be open to all possibilities. I choose to trust my intuition. I choose to release all judgment of myself. I forgive all of those who have judged me in the past. They weren't operating from my best interest. They didn't really even know me. I choose to trust my intuition. Take a deep breath and let it go. And that last part is really kind of, letting go of the other people have thought of you in the past. They didn't really know you. They may have had other ideas about what you're good at. Only you know. So trust your intuition on this one. All right. Click on the link to subscribe. I always get this wrong. Click on the link to subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment below. Did this resonate for you? And remember that video about soul purpose and life purpose. It's a Facebook Live show. So check that out, one of the Living Lighter shows. And please share this with somebody who might be struggling a bit at the moment to understand what their purpose is in all this uncertainty. I'll see you soon.